Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to make rose bracelet into new version. First of all we will make chain 13. 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Skip 3 stitches and make double crochet into 4 stitch. Make more 2 stitches, double crochet into same stitch. Now we have 4 double crochet, 3 double crochet and chain 3. Chain 3 is also count as 1 double crochet, so we have 4 double crochet in total in this chain. Now we will make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the next chain. Again we will make 4 double crochet into next chain. 1 2 3 and 4. Again make chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the next stitch. We will repeat it till the end. This is our last petal. Again we will make chain 1 and 1 single crochet into the next stitch, which is the last stitch. Now we will cut the yarn here and secure the knot. Now we will fold the flower from here and make the rose shape. Now we will sew the rose from the back side with the tapestry needle. Sew all the petals carefully. And cut the extra yarn. Our tiny rose is ready. Now measure your wrist and make more roses on the loop. I have made many roses. Seven or 8 roses will be enough for my size. Now we will make leaves and step according to the size of our wrist. First of all, make a magic ring and then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make a slip stitch into second chain from the hook, and then one single crochet, half double crochet, and then one double crochet. Again make a single crochet into the ring, make more one single crochet into the ring, again make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now make a slip stitch, one single crochet, one half double crochet and one double crochet. Again one single crochet into the magic ring, and we will make one more double single crochet into magic ring. Then we will make chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we will make a slip stitch into the 6th chain and make a circle. Then we will make chain 5. Again one slip stitch, one single crochet, one half double crochet and one double crochet, and one single crochet into the ring, half chain 6, make one more single crochet and one more. Again make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slip stitch, one single crochet, one half double crochet and one double crochet, and then again make 2 single crochet into the ring and slip stitch. Again make chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and slip stitch into the 6th stitch and chain 5, make the leaf, slip stitch, single crochet, then half double crochet and then one double crochet and 2 double single crochet into the ring. One, 2. Again make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make the leaf by slip stitch, one single crochet, one half double crochet and double crochet. Again make 2 single crochet into the ring, 1, 2 and at last one slip stitch. Repeat it at least 10 times and measure your wrist. Then we will close it and fix our roses at the center of the leaves like this. As you can see that I have completed all rows according to my wrist size, and now I will adjust 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 flower into the between both leaves, and I will adjust them with hot glue gun like this. Look at this. First of all, we will glue the base, adjust the rows, and then paste the leaves with hot glue gun with the both sides. As you can see that we have completed this area. Now we will make end strips at the both sides. Make chain 25. Start from here. One, two, three, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Now make 1/2 double crochet into each stitch by skipping 3 stitches. Make it till the end of the chain. Close and cut here. Tie and secure the knots. Make also strip here using this pattern. After making the both side strip, also glue the last flower with the strip like this. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and keep in touch. and take care of yourself and your family. We will meet in next video inshallah. Take care.